shit, nigga. Calm down, nigga. Damn, I just got out this bitch. I just got out the car. Line that shit up, Wayne.
You say line it up.
I think we locked in the race, not go cap. Yeah, okay, yeah. Hit it. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Make sure you subscribe if you Oh my god, yo, what's good with y'all guys? You feel me? Today's gonna be a little vlog, you know what I'm saying? I'm supposed to be going to a car meet, but I don't know what else is gonna happen. So depending on whatever title of this vlog is, that's clearly what happened. But right now I'm at QT, bro. Look. Boom. For the people, y'all know what street I'm on. But listen, I'm waiting on Cam, and I'm waiting on Justin. I don't know if John coming, cause you know John the biggest wig of all time. I swear to God. But yeah, man, I'm thinking about getting something out of QT. I don't know. I feel like I should just wait. I'm just trying to see what today what's finna go. But yeah, that last video I had posted though, about the why the nigga staring at me like, I got that 5 for your ass, funny. Oh yeah, she turning around. But yeah, what I finna say? That last video I posted, bro. Yeah, I feel like y'all really fuck with that video, cause it got a good amount of views in a little amount of time. So I need for y'all to tell me other content that y'all want me to post and stuff like that, so that way I can keep getting these videos pumping out for y'all and probably get more consistent, you know. And it's the summer, so I have to start getting more consistent. But I'm thinking about getting something from QT. I don't know, I might just chill in the car and wait on them. I don't know how I'm feeling right now. And bro, I'm sore. My legs are sore, man. But hey, man, I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I find. Oh, I don't know who this is, but you see that? Don't play. Shit hard. But yeah. Hey, go in. But nah, that shit hard though. That shit hard. But listen though, I'm gonna cut the camera back on when some shit come. When Cam pull up, or John pull up, or Justin, whoever pulls up, and we gonna head out to that meet. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I turn the camera back on. Gang, I can laugh. That's crazy. So I started getting paranoid. I started like, where these niggas at, man? As soon as I started looking at a location, guess who pulls up? Let me go ahead and show y'all. Guess who decides to pull up? This man behind me right here. I know y'all see it. Hold on, let me go ahead and go up to him. Show y'all what the fuck he got going on. He probably not even vlogging. He should be, but he not. How much you bet he not? Let me see what bro. See how he either gonna open his window or not. Oh shit, that shit crazy. I just walked up to this nigga car and he just ignoring me. So I guess I'm gonna have to just break in his shit. I think I'm gonna have to break in his shit. No lie. Cause this nigga know he see me outside his own whip. I feel like I'm just break in, bro. Break in. Niggas are such the wig, bro. Shit make no sense. And I'm over here leaning on his shit. Look at this man, bro. This man is weird, bro. I swear to God. This is recording me through his shit. I know. Y'all can't even see that shit. Y'all can't see that shit right now. He is recording me for what? For what? What's going on, man? So you finally got in the car, huh?
Yeah, I got there, had to get it right and shit.
Oh, okay, tight shit. You had to make sure your shit was right and all that other shit?
Yeah.
Be honest though. Hey, you think John coming or nah? You wigging?
I ain't gonna catch you on the way though. Well, when I checked, he was on the highway.
I need to check his location again. I ain't checked. So
he was on the highway though. I think he getting on 20.
Hey man. But listen though, Justin get here first or John?
Justin get here first. Ain't no way John be here.
This nigga Justin is still at the. I mean, last time I checked, this nigga still at the crib. He's still at the
We
crib.
finna check right now.
He's still at the crib. I wish I was like, he got 2 phones and
check
shit.
right
bro.
now.
He got 2 phones and shit. I wish I was like him. But,
Yup.
hey.
Oh, damn, I can't even. Ah, shit.
Oh my god. Oh my
I gotta
god.
pull my phone out.
See where this man at, man. Oh. Boom. Y'all already done seen this. Y'all already done seen me driving it, him driving my shit over there. Boom. You already seen that shit. But yeah, man. Next person shit I have to drive, probably Justin's. No cap. There's no reason to drive John's. It's a 5-0. I already drove a 5-0. By the way, yo, I forgot to tell y'all. I gapped a 6-speed 5-0. I got a scat now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Emphasis
I
on
got
6
that.
speed.
Bro, I swear to God, it was a 6-speed. It's about, I pulled up, bro, talking about, oh yeah, line it up. I was like, bruh, I'm gonna lose. I'm in an RT. So then, we were supposed to go bowling anyway. We driving, going bowling. He revving at me. I'm like, all right, fuck it. Boom. I was like, do a 40. Took off on that nigga. Nigga still behind me. Can't catch up. I'm like, how you let an RT beat a 5-0? Nigga was behind me for at least like a good 10 seconds. I can't lie. Like 10 seconds. I was like, what the fuck? And then when I raced you, we ain't gonna talk about that. we ain't gonna talk about that. But hey, man, I wasn't in front of him as long. I wasn't even in front of you, to be honest. I was like side by side, and then you took off. That's what happened. I was in front of this nigga like for a good 10 seconds. I swear, bro. Ever since then, I feel like I got a scat now. I'm not gonna lie. But man, I don't know where the fuck Justin is. I don't know where the
Justin's still at
fuck.
home. John on the highway. He on 20. He on the way. Justin's still at home. John probably gonna be on your angle cap. And they did bet on that.
They bet.
John said he was gonna be here.
Bro, Justin lives like 2 minutes away from here.
Bro,
Why the fuck?
You know he's slow to everything.
Right, bro. Then they switching up the location at the end of the day.
We already late. We started at 7. It's gonna be 8 o'clock. We just done beating up. It's on the 2 of us, so we still
Oh
waiting
my
on 2 of us.
god, bro. Black people, bro.
Black people, man.
Black fucking people. But hey, I'm gonna turn the camera on when they get here. I'm gonna show y'all who gets here first. Who y'all think will get here first? John or Justin?
My money on John.
Your money on John? Your money on John?
My money on John.
I don't know. I want to say Justin. Just because he's closer. I might have to say Justin. Hey, y'all let me know who's going to get here first. Justin or John. Y'all leave it in the comments down below. This nigga came first. Mind you, he lived like a good, I'd say 20 minutes away. This man, Justin, lives at least like 5'3", knowing how he drives. So I'm figuring out how the fuck did he get here so fucking fast? Like, what the hell? He must have been pushing that shit down the highway. You see it, he getting gas. Oh shit, my hand away. You see it, he getting gas, so you know he need that shit. You feel me? But yeah, we waiting on the slowest member, bro. It's like, I don't even know what to do. But yeah, man. This is why you can't go nowhere with black people, bro. Shit started at 7. You wanna know what time it is right now? I don't know, cause I'm recording on my phone. It's like 7:40 though. 7:40, 7:50, somewhere around there. And on top of that, I'm hungry as shit. Not gonna cap to y'all. But I didn't want nothing from QT. You feel me? I didn't want no shit from QT. But yeah, man. If you commented John, I'll cash up you $1. I'm sorry, I can't go over that limit. But yeah. How the Huh?
I need to, bro.
Been telling you to start
The man in the car
that
by himself. I ain't even gonna out him on his YouTube.
shit. Oh man. You funny for that one.
Hey, I was finna,
You funny for that one.
I was finna goddamn walk up to his car and record, but I was like, hold on, should I?
Okay.
locked in like that.
But where's Justin at?
He just now turned on West Chelsea.
I'm finna roast
That's
that
it
man.
bad. I ain't
I
gonna
was
lie.
need to
That's
sell that
bad.
fucking kid.
That's bad.
I was like 40 minutes away, bro.
That's what I'm saying. How you get here before? Where he
Hey,
at, bro?
man.
How you
Look
get here
me.
before him?
Hey, boy.
That's bad. That's bad as hell. Oh my god, that's bad. I'm not gonna lie. You heard he's 40 minutes away and you 5. How does a 40-minute black people, bro? That's all I gotta say. Black people.
You need to hit up Crown Finish.
Man, what?
Nigga, what the fuck? What
Look
you
at this
did?
shit. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. I ain't like, look at this shit.
We just got our
I
car
need to hit him
detailed.
up tomorrow.
We just got a detail probably like a week ago.
I need, look how dirty this is. Bro. I'm getting this shit wrapped a whole different color. I'm gonna do yeah. Bruh. That shit is bad. Look how bad this shit is. Ew, Nick. Yeah, bro. My car look, bruh. I hate when this shit dirty because you see everything. Like, what the fuck is this?
Like bird doodle.
I don't want nobody walking up to my car today. Do not walk up to my shit. You got this show off.
This man John just came from
The show
Midtown,
off.
40-minute drive, all the way to the east side. He done got gas, and Justin's still not here.
I don't know why he parked back there. He the leader. This who we following. I don't know why he all the way back there. That's and here he come. Ain't no fucking way. This man took. He lives 5 minutes away. 5. How did? Tell me how this man. Look at him. Look at him.
40-minute drive.
Nah, his shit even worse.
What the fuck? I see it.
You can tell. You can see how dirty this shit is from all the way up, bro.
Look at the camera.
What the hell? Ain't no way,
This shit
bro.
dirty
Ain't no way, bro. Hey, we all down bad, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We all. Let me see John shit, bro. Let me make sure John shit. Let's see if he actually needs it or not.
Orange gonna never look bad.
I'm saying it's probably because of all this bright shit on here. See what I'm saying?
What is it?
He can use it, I guess. I guess he can use it. Cause
Jeep sounded like that, man.
that's what I'm saying. I looked up, I'm like, the fuck? Yeah, I guess he could use it, bro.
Should've got orange.
John, crown finish?
Huh?
Crown finish?
Oh, tomorrow? If it don't rain, I got to.
Okay. I'm glad we're on the same page.
If it don't rain, bro.
Now
You see how
finish?
bad? Look at my trunk. You see how bad?
Yeah, I seen this. I was like, hold on, I didn't even know the truck
This from
gets
being
like
in a
this.
fucking parking garage, bro. This like an
Bro.
open garage. That shit hard. Put some
Oh
open
shit, I didn't even see that. What the hell? That shit.
We'll put it on the garage.
Man, I'm finna have 10 minutes of footage before we even get there.
Man, what? Man, what? Wait. Wait a minute. I'm gonna have some words for him.
Cuss the man up.
Where the fuck is he going? Oh, this nigga want to be a leader so bad. Like, look at this nigga. This nigga want to park all in the. Well, I don't care. I really don't give a fuck. Huh?
She left the gas.
You left the game, bro. That's what I'm hearing.
The what? Bro, how? How? How?
Hey.
How? How?
Look at this. Oh, my mama just happened right in front of me. What am I looking at? Bro, you see her pulling this nigga by the ear while driving, bro? She
fuck?
bumped
The
up
hell?
traffic right there. and
But look
shit.
though, I don't want to hear shit because how I beat you. That ain't no 40
He-
minutes.
he
I'm not
beat
40
you
minutes
here.
worth of traffic.
How?
That ain't 40 minutes worth of traffic, bro.
How fast was you going?
I was going the speed limit. You think he'll open the door by accident?
That's
Let me
ass,
get
bro.
inside.
Because this is crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Excuse me. You think we can see what the inside look like?
Not today. I don't have time.
Alright, appreciate it.
Dang, man. That's crazy though. I don't lie. That is. Hey,
Y'all ready though?
Think it's because we're black. Definitely because we were black. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, bro.
So what you were doing, bro?
For real, I got some shit.
You were jacking?
Nigga was
I was thinking about it, but I took shit.
Okay. Oh, time to go. Time to go.
Hey, John leading.
Yeah, John always the leader. You know what? You are in
technically
front.
Jordan leading though. Nah,
Oh yeah,
nah, that don't
you're the
make
last
sense.
person here.
That don't make sense. Why I got the slowest car leading?
No, you're not the
Jordan.
slowest driver. Oh, you remember you said that?
Look at how I shifted. This fast guy shit right here, bro.
Man,
Carbon fiber roof, fast guy
I
shit.
stole it from you. I stole it from you. Exactly. You're leading. Oh. Yeah, I ain't giving y'all no POV. That's dead. Can't do that, Wayne. No, Sirski. I'll turn the camera on when I get to Wood Wood Bang Bang. You feel me? So yeah, as y'all can see, we out there, bitch. We out. Shit, nigga, calm down, nigga. Damn, I just got out this bitch. I just got out the car. Yeah, my shit not doing that. They got that shit, ain't it? Huh? You said the SS.
I told you, bro.
Man, we said we came through Tron. Stop saying, and we came through Tron. Hold on, let me go to point 5 for y'all, boy. Damn, will it work? Fuck it. Yeah, we came through tripping though. I ain't gonna lie. Came through Tron. Everybody out this bit. You feel me? And yeah, you see how the vibe is for real.
That's not somebody's shit.
They glad ain't stupid ass nigga. Try to get by. It's his shit. That Civic shit.
That nigga Josh still here?
I thought he would have been left. Oh, yeah.
How long was the drive to go there? That's a long drive. I tell you, that when he came back.
From
That's how come
he
flight.
drove?
But he drove there and he came back and drove back.
Oh nah, he got that shit. I can't lie, he got that shit. He got that shit.
Yo.
What's up, man?
What's
Way
up?
good.
Yeah, but man. Oh,
What's up, gang?
what's up?
What's up, y'all boys? Pulling through that bit.
So you see it? Yeah.
Hey, bro, so
Just to know everybody. Huh?
You about that time.
I've been trying to get a track car. Yeah.
See, I knew you. Damn, bro. Damn, bro.
That's what I was trying to. That's what I was going for. That's what I was going for real.
Bro, he not gonna care till that shit
Don't
happens.
call. Don't call. Cause then she gonna work.
This nigga,
I'm not saying
man.
shit.
Line that shit up, Wayne.
You say line it up.
Line that
I
shit up,
would,
Wayne,
but I
man.
can't, bro.
You
You
can't.
faster than me, bro.
How am I faster than
You
you?
faster than me, bro.
We both stopped. What are you talking about?
Such a race.
What?
Look at this nigga.
You heard a race, right? You heard a race, right? He talking about
He heard a race. He came over here fast as fuck.
That nigga said smoke.
we can do some fun runs.
Yeah, that's,
You gotta talk to the 10 speed
that's what I'm
niggas,
talking
though.
about.
You gotta talk to the
Fun
10
run.
speed niggas.
The 10 speeds.
Run the red one.
The red one fast, no cap.
Ain't that bad.
Nigga's such a cat.
I heard that orange one a little geeked up too. Racing, you gonna be
Let's see.
That orange one boosted.
You stop.
You said the who?
The orange one boosted.
Why y'all over there
real.
quiet? Y'all over there quiet?
Nah, it's Justin in the back quiet.
Say that to him.
It's
Justin
Justin
over
in the
there
back
quiet, too.
I heard something with a T going in there.
He's talking about top of the team.
You sure? I was just trying to make sure you sure.
Nigga just sneaking back in town.
So like, can we do a little fun run?
I want to race the
Just on
cat.
the road.
I want to race the cat.
Right the BMW.
After you get him on, I'll be dig or road. Wait, what cat?
We can do a dig.
I want to race the
We got
cat.
a Z06 on the way, by the way.
Nah,
I want to race
we
the
can go
cat.
Kyle Road right there.
I'm trying to get the long ass
The long ass
road,
road by JJ. We can do a dig.
on that road.
Yes.
It's a long ass road.
Nigga, as long as you got
My nigga, we blocked
That's
out
what I'm
bad
saying.
time.
As long as you got 2 cars behind you, you straight.
That bitch sneezing. We blocked it out last time though. Okay then, so what's up?
I don't know half of these niggas here. So shit.
We good. I'm just trying to see something happen.
Man.
That boy got 10 speeds. I got an 8.
10 speed is better.
I have no tire. Look at my tire. Look at my tire. Hey, come look at my tire. Come look at my tire. Tell me you want to race.
10 speed is better.
Look at that tire. Tell me you want to race on it. No thread.
What the fuck?
I see that shit.
Nah, you good.
You said what?
You good.
Okay, I was just making sure.
You good. Damn, that shit crazy. Nigga, you buy new tires.
I just got tired 2 weeks.
That's what I'm saying.
You got a nail in your shit.
How the fuck? Damn, he sure do got a fucking nail right there.
That nigga said tonight he not coming tired.
I don't know, man. You rich, man. Hell no. He got a whole nail in his shit. He got a whole nail in that bitch.
I can't do nothing.
He not doing that.
I can't do absolutely nothing.
How you gonna do a fucking dig?
If I had tires, I would.
I'm gonna say, you ain't doing no digging that shit.
Bro, let me get some tires. I got it.
I ain't got no tires.
You don't got no tires either?
No. I was playing.
Who has the
Oh, he over there. Where he at?
The red
Where he at? Oh, hell. That's right.
right there?
See, everybody want the 10 speed. Everybody want the 10 speed.
One of y'all 10 speed.
Bro, this man,
One of y'all 10 speed.
Who's trying to?
I'm stopped. He capping hell, boy.
Nah, he actually do need new tires. I can't lie. He actually do need new tires.
Bro, it ain't gonna be that bad though. It's just a little right now. That's what I'm saying.
But I told you,
I'm not a 10-speed driver. I got a 5.7.
I'm talking about race the BMW though.
I ain't gonna slip on no road.
I got a 5.7.
That's what I'm saying, bro. We gonna be on that road right there.
I can't do no dig.
See, these niggas trying to race and shit. These niggas trying to race. That's crazy. I ain't racing nobody. I just be talking shit. I talk shit like I got a Hellcat or some shit. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man. This is what we on. We just chilling, boom. Everybody out. You got the scat cat over there. You know, the cat got the hood up, obviously.
You want to roll with him?
Yeah, dude.
But he just raced the Mustang. Show the video of the Mustang. He just raced the 10 speed. 10 speed with manual. I mean, that bitch went 10 speed though.
Man. Hey man, if I ain't seen, look at JB shit, man. I feel like I should get an SS out of this. This man convincing me. Look at it, bro. Look at this shit. You feel me? Like
We confirmed Mopar niggas to Chevy. You know what I'm saying? Mopar ain't shit.
I don't know about that. But listen. Look at this shit. This shit open.
Chevy on top.
Fresh nigga shit. Look at this, man. God damn, this shit low as fuck. Shit low as hell. What the hell? This shit low as hell. Let me see. Damn. How do you see shit out of here, bro? How do you see shit? Bro. Trim. See that? Trim. See that? Trim. Got that carbon fiber right there too. Man. And then on top of that, look. 200 on that. Got that damn, won't focus. 200.
Yeah.
Man. Can y'all see me in this?
Yeah, so I just didn't get that shit. I was gonna wrap it up.
I ain't know they had one that.
I was gonna wrap it.
What the lights on? Right there, black.
SS? Yeah, this is my shit. Yeah. My shit.
You gonna switch out the
My shit. Yeah, man. Look, SS motherfucker, man. He got it on the seat.
I don't want the white ones. Put it on the highway.
Trump with the this wing hard as fuck too. Can't lie. I'm about to goddamn rob a nigga, no cap. But nah, see that shit hard.
I say probably lucky
And I think we locked in the race, not go cap. But hey, we gonna keep that under wrap. You know what I'm saying? I think we locked in the race, but hey, yeah. Boom. The SRT, no cap. Got the 390. for that. Don't play. But yeah, man. We just out here chilling, man, for real. Kicking shit. You feel me? Everybody out and shit. Let me try to focus that bit. Everybody out. So as y'all can see, man, we had to relocate. We had to migrate. Where the fuck we at? QT again. The hell you saying? You seeing with all this? See this? See this nigga? He talking shit about somebody as he always does.
Oh my fucking god, Ray. Raise you?
You want me to race you?
No.
You want to race me?
Don't do it.
You said don't do it. Twin said don't do it. He don't want you
He's
to go like
saving
that.
you.
His hood.
He don't want you to go like that.
He's saving you.
Don't do it.
He's saving you.
Black, don't do it.
I'll put y'all down. They're right here. They're right here. 5-7 King right here.
You feel me?
I'm talking about this nigga smacking whatever the fuck. Smacking whatever the fuck.
Hellcats and everything.
You said what? Oh shit.
Anyway, you see what we're going on, man. You see the big boats. You feel me? All this. You feel me? He's trying to direct traffic like he. And then you got the red shit light up. Don't play. We had to change locations, man.
We got traffic, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, man. But hey, I got lost though. I don't know. Oh, there you are. There you are. I was just gonna say, I done lost all y'all boys. I don't know where the fuck. Is this John? Oh shit, this nigga done parked right here. I ain't even see him. See what I'm saying? These niggas done left me.
We fucked. I ain't gonna lie.
I was thinking that shot was like.
You see me? I'm behind you.
Yeah, you behind me. So
I'm behind you.
I got hella decking space, you see what I'm saying?
Well,
If I need a job, I ain't going nowhere.
Right.
I ain't going nowhere.
Hell
You
nah.
could have curved every rim.
Everything, bro.
Y'all better
Everything.
curve.
Who you saying? But yo, man, you see what's going, man. Everybody out, man. This is a lot, man. And I ain't gonna lie, this is not my type of party. You're not gonna lie. It's too many people for me. Too many people outside. It's not me. It's not for me. But you feel me? At least we got the lighting though. The lighting better for y'all. That's why I really couldn't record at the other spot. I couldn't record at the other spot because the lighting was terrible. It was all dark. None of the lights was popping up, coming on and none of that shit. But listen, we out here now.
Mustang,
Feel me? Shut the fuck up. Like I said, man, we might have a race locked in later. I don't know if we do or not. I'm just saying we might have one. So just keep you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you feel me? So yeah, might have a little something. Might be racing a cat.
I've been trying to tell y'all, man. Pop out on Fridays, bro. QT night, bro.
QT night, yeah, man.
Y'all niggas want to miss out and shit.
This is like, I ain't gonna lie.
I be having some fresh legs.
This like.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. It's too many people for me. Some shit pop off. I can't go. Well, I can go somewhere. People in the way.
Nigga, where you parking? Hey,
I'll park behind JB.
but you gotta think about it though. I park right down the street.
You right.
What I mean? What it mean if we can't leave? I can't leave.
I can't leave. I'm talking about me and Jordan.
We can go.
Right there, inside.
I seen where you was at. These niggas are fucked. They're not going nowhere. They surrounded by boats.
I don't know what the distance is parked like.
But hey, my hands on somebody's car. I don't even know who this is. Well, you know this nigga don't bullshit. Nigga ain't got no front bumper. You know he don't bullshit. He not on the bullshit. No cap. But yeah, man. I'm gonna turn the camera back on, I guess. I don't know when. Maybe I might run. I might race. I don't know. Maybe. But yeah, I might. I don't know. We're gonna see what's happening. So. Yeah.
But the thing about it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hit it. Oh yeah. Damn.
Album for a quarter. Yeah. I don't even got no change on it.
Yeah. All my money on my card type shit. You feel me?
You got cash out?
What we
What?
find the album on?
Yeah.
I got it right now.
Oh, you say you got
Oh, you CD.
Hey man, y'all hold up. I'm gonna go to the city. I can do that for you.
Hey.
Hey, look. Y'all go buy my boy album right now. He said his shit.
Right now.
You said
Digital Slam. It's on YouTube.
Now, yo.
Type
Where
in
you
Digital
here?
Slam, you feel?
When you get
He
here?
said digital slam. Y'all go ahead and do what y'all gotta do, man.
$1.
My partner with.
That's why I came. I thought he was here.
Hey, don't do drugs, kids. That's it. Don't do drugs.
So you just came.
What's going on, man? Can't do too much. I ain't gonna say too much. But yeah, don't do drugs. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, you see what the fuck going on with that shit, man. Francis know people and shit, so I don't know what the fuck he got going on. Oh my god, copyright. Listen to how loud this shit is, man. What the fuck? I ain't even need this bitch purple too, bro. What the fuck, nigga? You know that's B shit right there. The hell yeah. This shit is loud as fuck. He probably cammed his shit. Trump. Nigga Trump. You see, it's an RT right here. Shit. Should I do that to my RT? I don't know really fuck with that shit. It came law. But hey, I'm not doing that shit to my RT. I'm tweaking. This is what I really need right here though, that cat. This is what I need. The black hood. You know what that mean? You got a black hood, that mean you fast as fuck. I gotta ask him what he did, cause this shit sound good as hell. Is he gonna do anything crazy? Let me see. Hey, I don't know what he did to his shit, but his shit sound amazing. Like I can't even out. Man. But yeah. Bomb. And damn, I was just finna walk over here. I'm thinking my ass shit. That nigga true. I wanted to get that shit funky hell. I wanted to get some shit like this too. That nigga loud as shit, bruh. Yeah, I wanted to get some shit like this too. You feel me? But it's straight. That should have come later. It should have come later, feel me? But yeah. Bomb. You feel me? But yeah, listen though, I'm probably gonna end the vlog here because I have another vlog tomorrow coming for y'all. I'm trying to get more consistent. So this is Friday. Tomorrow, Saturday, I'm gonna have a vlog for y'all. And then on top of that, on that Saturday, I'm gonna have another video for y'all as well. I'm gonna upload a main video. This is more like a vlog video, but I'm gonna upload a main video on Saturday. Not on Saturday, but I'm gonna shoot one on Saturday. So that way I'm gonna have 3 videos coming back to back to back. So yeah, it's like that. But yeah, this is how it is. Boom. End the vlog. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Make sure you subscribe if you have. What the hell? What the fuck? What the hell? What the fuck? Yeah, it's just time for me to go. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. It's the end of the vlog, you feel me? And let me know if y'all want more vlog style content, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to give y'all more variety of just regular videos. I want y'all to get to know me a little bit more. But without further ado, we out. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all comment too. Go ahead and let me know how y'all feel. Without further ado, I'll catch you in the next one.